Hello my YouTube friends, Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. Make sure you subscribe and like and share because it's cool, it's free. Okay, so let's see the Android 10 with Pixel XL 2. Yes, I have a Pixel XL 2. If you have a Pixel XL, first, second, third generation, now this is exclusive only for the Pixel devices for now, which is, I think is pretty cool. So if you have a Pixel XL device, check for update. This is the final Android 10 release. So it's cool, it's nice. Let's see what's the new features. I'm super excited to check this. Couple of new features that we'll check now today. Very nice. Okay, so let's dive in. So features, new features. The first new feature that it's super cool that everybody is talking is the dark mode. So how to activate the dark mode? So you go to settings. From settings you go to display, and from display, as you can see now, we have an option dark theme. This is dark mode. So now we have a dark mode. Yes, super excited. This is for the people that, let's say in the morning you want to check your phone, it's super bright, or you want to read something in a bright sun when you're outdoor. It's not very pleasant to read, but now we have a super option. We have the dark mode on the Pixel devices, which is, I think, is a cool. Super excited about the dark mode. If you do, thumbs up. Super excited with this update because it's a huge update. Okay, so let's see the more options. There's another option that I still like, which everybody is gonna be happy, some people not maybe, is the gesture. So now we have a gestures. Yes, we have a gestures. Now we move into the gestures, which is pretty cool, I think. Settings. We go to system, and from system we go to gestures, and from gestures we going to system navigation. As you can see now, we have another option. There's three options here. The first option is the 3-button old school. I know it's old school, but some people they're still using these navigations because I think it's cool. Nothing wrong with that. Then we have the Android Pie, navigation, back, and the home. And now the third option, which is super cool, I think is nice. This is the gesture. Yes, now we have a gestures. Yes, I know, I'm excited. Guys, apologize, but I'm still learning. It still needs time. Check yourself when you update. You'll see it's not hard, but it's a little bit different to get used to it. So let's double check now. So let's say you are in the app. Let's go to my pictures. As you can see, there's no back buttons. How you want to go back? Very simple. You can go like this, just go home, or if you want to go back, you just go to the right. Let's do this again. You go to the right. This is the way to go back. Let's say you open this app, but you want to go to your previous apps. How you gonna do that? Very simple. You just go right or left. See? Or maybe only left. Yeah, goes to the right as well. Left, right, you go to your apps. What about if you want to go to your previous apps? Okay. Very simple. You just do like this and you go to your background previous apps. Let's say if you want to delete some apps, you just still have this option to delete the apps, which is pretty cool. I mean, I know it needs time to get used to it, but I think it's a cool feature. Gestures, who doesn't like gestures? I think it looks clean, looks nice. Let me turn the Wi-Fi. Actually, I'm gonna turn my data. Okay, how are you going to navigate with Google Assistance? Because there's no options now to activate, and Android Pie there was. Okay, you still can press here, but now Google Assistance moved different way. So to activate, you just on the left, on the right side, on the corners, you just do like this. Hello Google.
Hey SYGTCH, how can I help?
I just checking. How are you?
My day's been spiffing, thanks. I've been mostly crawling the web. Let me know how I can be of assistance.
Amazing. As you can see, Same thing, you just go this on the left, on the right, and you activate your assistant, which is pretty cool. What else it's changed? As you can see on the notification panel, the icons has been changed, the battery is changed, the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi button is changed as well, which I think is cool. And now you have options for more options to put some stuff on your notification panel. Okay, so as you can see now, when you go to the left, right, there's more options. If you press here, if I can press, as you can see now, we have more options here on notification panel. You can put your dark mode exactly on here on notification panel. You can put, now we have screen recording, we have which is pretty good. Screen capture, if you want to do some screen captures. Good options, I think. And there's a one very useful option that I super like, is when you go to settings. I think it's a cool option. So let's say you're in the settings, and as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in now a little bit. When you see your battery, actually is giving you time till what time your battery will stay. So now I have 28%. Apologize, that doesn't focus. 28%, and my battery will go 6:30, which is pretty good. Now it's 15:27 current time. That's a good feature to show you the time exactly, what time your battery will go off. There's a many more options, security options, which is some people will be happy, but the most good options and happy options, I think everybody's gonna be hyped, is the dark mode and the gestures. This is pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna do full in-depth review of Android 10. I need a couple of days to check how it's gonna perform. Also, I'm super happy to see the battery as well, because this is interesting as well to see the battery. This is pretty much it. My name is Stefan. Subscribe and like if you think this video is cool. Yeah, you can subscribe, it's free. My name is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video. I wish you a wonderful day. This was Android 10 with Pixel XL2. Super happy to check this video. If you didn't update now. So yeah, this is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video.